Okay, so let's be clear, because I get this question a lot. The app that I built to help you document your case, to help you stay organized, to help you track patterns of behavior, it's not to show in court. This is your personal database of all of your evidence, all of your incidents, attendance, things like that, that you are tracking on a daily basis to build your case. The court process is separate. The court has its own forms that you need to fill out, such as affidavits and declarations. The documentation system will help you fill out those forms, will help you build your storyline, your timeline, because it keeps everything all in one place, organized already. So when it's time to prepare for court, you're going to export things from the documentation system. You're going to be able to copy and paste things. You're going to be able to pull your evidence out to attach as exhibits. So this is you building your case for when it's time to prepare for court. This isn't something you just grant the court access to. That could be dangerous because you need to have it vetted by a lawyer to make sure you have not incriminated yourself, that you are documenting things that matter to the court. If you are representing yourself, it's a little bit different, but you're not just going to print a screenshot off and send it into the court and be like, here's all my evidence. You need to prepare for court in the proper way. And every jurisdiction has its own way, has its own forms that need to be filled out for court. So this is not a legal process system. This is a repository for you to stay organized. You will see many people talk about documentation and how they're documenting in binders or they're documenting in file folders on their computer. That's just another system that they're using. Mine is web-based, so you can do it from anywhere. You can be sitting at little Johnny's soccer game documenting the bullshit that happened yesterday at the doctor's appointment, and you can move on with your night. It's an easier system to use than printing off papers, sticking them in binders, sticking them behind tabs and things like that. It's all in one place, web-based, organized. So all you need to do is export shit and prepare for court. You should always seek legal advice before entering anything into evidence, before filing anything in court, to make sure you've filled out the appropriate forms, to make sure that you have attached your evidence correctly, to make sure that you're following all of the procedural guidelines for court. So if all of your evidence and shit is everywhere right now and disorganized, this system will help you get it all together, get it organized, and grant access to your lawyer so they can prepare better.